Hey, guess what I got for my birthday this weekend?
What'd you get?
I got this sweet new ukulele.
Dude, that's actually sick. Last night I caught a home run ball at the game.
Oh, sick. I have a feeling this week's gonna be great.
Dude, it's gonna be so great. Nothing could ruin this week.
Hey, losers. What's so nice of you? Give it to me.
Sully, don't listen to him. Hey, give that back.
What are you gonna do about it?
I don't know, man. Just give it back.
Say one more thing, I'll deck you.
One more thing.
Don't hurt me.
Such a small dog.
Hey man, he warned you. You're just lucky I was there to stop him.
Sully, I might have been unconscious, but I'm like 100% sure that you were just like, please don't hurt me.
Hey man, at least I didn't get knocked out.
Fair enough.
You know, you could have just let him take our stuff. We're small dogs. There's no point in standing up to big dogs like him.
I may be a small dog, but I got the heart of a big dog.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
Whatever, man. I'm just tired of guys like Bosco picking on little guys. We gotta do something about it. Don't you want your uke back?
Yeah, but he has it now. There's nothing we could do.
Well, we'll figure something out. I have a plan.
What do you mean?
To take our stuff back.
So, what's the plan?
So yesterday I noticed Bosco putting our stuff in the trunk of his car.
Okay. So, how are we gonna get to the trunk of his car?
I know a way we can get the keys.
Okay.
So maybe in the parking lot at free period tomorrow.
Alright, sounds good.
You ready?
Not really. You got the keys? Good.
Here. Put these bandit hats on.
Alright. What?
Crap. Forgot to put holes in them.
Let's do this. Oh, there they are.
It's not nice to steal things, guys.
Hey, Bosco, we were just cleaning up your car.
Yeah, sure you were a scrub.
Nice haircut, idiot.
He meant cutie.
Just give me the stuff. Don't make me ask twice.
Alright, fine. Psych!
Smoke off! Go, go, go! Bosco's coming!
Well, that didn't go as smooth as I thought.
Yeah, no kidding.
Look, Sully, I'm really sorry I dragged you into this. I was just trying to stand up to that jerk. Stay here. I gotta finish what I started. No hard feelings, Jerry.
Don't hurt me! Stop.
Gotta help him out.
Now, you're dead.
Hey, thanks for sticking up for me back there.
Hey man, small dogs gotta stick up for each other.
Nah, Sully, you ain't a small dog anymore. What you did back there, stood up for me, saved my life, that was a big dog move.
Thanks, Jack. But, you know, being a small dog ain't so bad after all.
To small dogs.